In this video, you are going to see how to install the Claude app on your MacBook and what its uses are compared to using it directly in the browser. First, go to this website claude.com. Then scroll down and click on Download Desktop App. It automatically starts downloading after you click here. Now, open the Downloads folder and double click on this DMG package of Claude. This window will open. Simply drag the Claude icon to the folder icon. Now it starts installing on your Mac. After installing it, open it, give all the permissions and log in with your account. Coming to the uses, installing the Claude app on your Mac provides a much faster and more integrated experience than the web version. It gives you quick access via system-wide keyboard shortcuts, supports native Mac OS features, and allows you to easily drag and drop files from your desktop. For developers and power users, the desktop version unlocks advanced features like direct local file interaction, workspace terminal integration, and computer use capabilities that allow Claude to safely navigate your Mac, click, type, and automate multi-step tasks across your local apps. Now, after installing the app, you can eject the Claude folder and it's ready to use on your Mac from now on. Don't forget to like and share this video to reach more people like you who are looking for this. Also, if you don't want to miss out on future videos, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon next to it. See you again in the next video.